Hello, friends! Welcome to Learn English with Stories and Big Subtitles in a simple way. Today's story is about a clever rabbit and a hungry tiger. Once upon a time, in a green forest, lived a clever little rabbit named Roxy. She was small but very smart. One sunny morning, Roxy was hopping near the river when she saw a big, scary tiger sleeping under a tree. The tiger woke up and growled.
"I'm hungry. I will eat you, little rabbit."
Roxy didn't panic. She said,
"Oh, mighty tiger, you can eat me, but first, let me show you something even tastier."
The tiger was curious. Roxy took him to the river and pointed at the water.
"Look, there's another tiger in the river. He wants to eat me too. If you defeat him, you can have us both."
The foolish tiger saw his own reflection in the water and thought it was another tiger. He roared and jumped into the river to fight. Splash! But tigers can't swim well, and he struggled in the water. Meanwhile, Roxy hopped away safely. The other animals cheered for her. From that day, everyone called her Clever Roxy. So friends, today what we learn from this story, we learn quick thinking and calmness can solve big problems. If you enjoyed this story and learned something new, hit the like button to let us know. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Subscribe for more engaging English lessons, fun stories, and subtitled content to boost your fluency. Share with friends who love learning English through storytelling. Your support keeps us creating. Thank you.